But that beautiful afternoon suddenly changed. A strange dog appeared, and it was coming straight toward the little boy. Take a look at this short video. I created the entire video using Canva AI. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own AI-powered video, just like this, step by step. Open Canva and click here on Canva AI to access the AI-powered tools and features. Click here on Video Clip, then select the Audio option to add audio to your video. You can adjust the AI quality setting by clicking here. Click on this plus icon to add a reference image. Now paste your video prompt here and click on this icon. Within a few seconds, Canva AI will start generating your video based on the prompt and settings you provided. Once your video is ready, click here on the Edit button. Your video will open in a separate window where you can make any changes or adjustments. You can also click here on the Preview button to watch the video and check the final result. Once you're satisfied with the video, click here on Share and choose Download to export your video.